A very warm day, everyone. This is you, Ashwani, artist from Myself English Medium School, dealing with subject English of Class 2. So, children, in our last video, we explained this lesson is the sky is falling. So now we are going to a textual part of this lesson. The sky is falling. Be ready, all of you? Yes. Coming to the A Roman. As the A Roman is true or false. See all of you. In this sentence is right, you have to answer true. And the sentence is wrong, you have to write the answer false. Okay? First one, the rabbit lived in a city. Where is the rabbit live? Yes, the rabbit lived in a jungle. So this sentence is a true or false? False, because of this sentence is wrong. Actually, the rabbit lived in a jungle. So this sentence is wrong. The answer is false. Second one, the rabbit was resting under a coconut tree. The rabbit was resting under a coconut tree. Where it was resting? Yes, it resting to under a tree, under a coconut tree. So this sentence is a right or wrong? Yes. So you have to write true. 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 Third one, the rabbit thought that the tree was falling. The rabbit thought that the tree was falling. The tree was falling is right? No, the sky is falling. So this sentence belongs to false. So answer is false, ma'am. False. False. Fourth one, a monkey saw the deer and the rabbit run. So a monkey saw the deer and the rabbit run. See all of you, deer and rabbit. ఇవి రెండు కూడా పరిగెడుతూ ఉంటుంటే ఎవరు చూసారు? Monkey. So ఈ sentence is right or wrong? Yes. So answer is true. 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 Fifth one, the buffalo was bathing in an ocean. Okay, buffalo is bathing in an ocean? No. So answer is false. So you see all of you, first one false, second one true, third one false, fourth one true, and fifth one false. B Roman, who said these words? Write their names. See all of you, in this B Roman we have 4 sentences is there. These 4 sentences, who said these words, you have to write that their names, all of you. Okay, first one, oh no, the sky is falling. I must run and tell the king about it. Oh, the sky is falling. ఎవరు అనుకున్నారు ఇలా? ఎవరు కింగ్కి చెప్పాలని చెప్పేసి ఎవరు వెళ్తున్నారు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్? ఎస్, rabbit. So who said these words? Rabbit. So first one is rabbit. 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 Okay. Second one, are you having a race? Who said these words? Are you having a race అని ఎవరు అన్నారు? Buffalo. So second one answer is buffalo. 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 Third one, what is all this noise about? ఈ నాయిస్ అంతా ఏంటి అని చెప్పేసి ఎవరు అడిగారమ్మా? Lion. So answer is lion. 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 Fourth one, the sky is still there. Now go back home, all of you. See all of you, the sky is still there. So go back, all of you. Okay, who said these words? This sentence is also is say lion. Okay, what is the answer, ma? Lion. Okay. D Roman, match the animals with the sounds they make. See all of you, here we have some animals are there that are elephant, cat, sheep, bird, cow, owl, horse, and snake. These are, we have some 8 animals are there. So you have to guess that sounds they make. You have to guess that, all of you. Okay, here all of you we have some birds, animal sounds are there, all of you. Okay, so you have to guess that and match these columns. Okay, first one, elephant. What is the sound of elephant? Is a trumpet. Okay, already first one they gave. Okay, first one to see. And now second one, cat. What is the cat sound? Do you know, all of you? Yes, what is the cat sound, ma'am? Meow. Okay, MEW. Okay, meow. So second one to G. And now third one, sheep. What is the sound of sheep? Yes, what is the sound of sheep? Bleat. 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 So third to B. Fourth one, bird. What is the bird sounds? Yes, bird sounds are chirp, chirp, chirp. Okay, so chirp. CHIRP, chirp. So fourth one to F. Okay, and now fifth one, cow. What is the cow sound? Moo. Okay, MOO, moo. Okay, so fifth one to H. And sixth one is owl. What is the owl sound? Hoot. 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 So sixth to E. And next seventh one, horse. What is the horse sound? Neigh. Okay, neigh. So ANEIGH, horse, neigh. And last one, eighth one, snake. What is the sound of snake? Hiss. Hiss. What is the sound of snake, mom? Hiss. So eighth one to D. HISS, hiss. Okay. See all of you here. First one to C, second one to G, and third one to B, fourth one to F, and fifth one to H, sixth to E, seventh to A, and eighth to D. Okay. Did you understand all of you these sounds are? Yes? E Roman. Give a name for each group of words. Use words from the box. Okay. Here we have some words are there. These words are belongs to some new. Okay. So you have to write that one. Okay, all of you. Here we have some box also. Is in this box we have some words: fruits, vegetables, animals, flowers, clothes, and furniture. So see all of you. Here first one, elephant, lion, dog. What are these in this box, mom? These are animals. So these are animals. So elephant, lion, dog are animals. So you have to write that first one is animals. And now second one, table. Second one, sorry, potato, carrot, beans. What are the three? Yes, these are vegetables. These are vegetables. VEGETABLES, vegetables. And now third one, table, chair, bed. What are the three? Yes, these three are furniture. Okay, furniture. FURNITURE, furniture. Okay. Now fourth one, lotus, rose, and jasmine. What are the three things? Yes, these three are flowers. Flowers. FLOWERS, flowers. And now fifth one, mango, banana, grapes. What are the three things? Yes, these three are fruits. So fifth one, fruits. FRUITS, fruits. And now last one, sixth one, shirt, frock, pants. Okay, what are the three things? Yes, these three are clothes. CLOTHES, clothes. See all of you. Here in this E Roman, first one is animals, second one is vegetables, third one furniture, fourth one flowers, fifth one fruits, and sixth one clothes. F Roman. Look at the pictures. Fill in the missing letters to make sounds. See all of you. Here first of all you have to look at the pictures and fill in the missing letters to that words. Okay. So first of all you have to look at the pictures, all of you. Here he is a grandfather. What is he doing? He is sleeping to snore. Okay. What is this, mom? This one is snake, and this one is snail, and this one is snow. Okay, you have to fill these blanks, all of you. Okay. See all of you, snore spelling SNORE, snore. Snow, SNOW, snow. Snake, SNAKE, snake. Snail, SNAIL, snail. Okay. G Roman. Color the words in the boxes in different colors. Find the opposites of the words in the word search. Circle them with the same color. See all of you, here we have some box and some word search, all of you. So okay, in this box we have some opposite words are there. Okay, you have to guess the opposites. Here we have some words. You have to search the opposite words to this word search. Okay. First one, fast. Okay. Here in this box we have some colors is there. Okay, colors మనమే వేసుకోవాలి, నచ్చిన కలర్ వేసుకోవాలన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? సో మన కలర్ వేసుకున్నప్పుడు అదే కలర్తో మనం ఇక్కడ సర్కిల్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? మీరు అలా చేయండి. ఓకేనా? So first one, fast. What is the opposite word of fast? Yes, fast opposite is slow. Slow. See all of you, first one already they search all of you. Okay, they already given the in the word search SLOW, slow. ఓకే, సిఎల్ఎఫ్ ఇక్కడ మనకి గ్రీన్ కలర్తో చేశారు. సేమ్ అదే ఇక్కడ కూడా గ్రీన్ కలర్తో సర్కిల్ చేశారు. సో నెక్స్ట్ నువ్వు ఏ కలర్ తీసుకుంటే ఆ కలర్తో ఆన్సర్ని ఇక్కడ అదే కలర్తో ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉందనుకోండి, స్ట్రాంగ్ని మనం ఏం చేస్తాము, రెడ్ కలర్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో. సో రెడ్ కలర్తో మొత్తం అంతా కూడా మార్క్స్ చేస్తాం. సో అదే రెడ్ కలర్తో మనం ఇక్కడ సర్కిల్ చేయాలి ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్ని. ఓకే, నౌ సెకండ్ వన్, స్ట్రాంగ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రాంగ్? Yes, opposite word of strong is weak. I am very strong person. My grandfather is weak. Okay, so what is the opposite word of strong? Weak. Okay, ma. Now far. What is the opposite word of far? Near. 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 Okay. Now loose. What is the opposite word of loose? It's a loose. Tight. ఓకే, టైట్. ఇది లూజ్గా ఉంది, టైట్గా ఉందని చెప్తాం కదా. సో దట్ మీన్స్ మ్యామ్. ఓకే, లూజ్ ఆపోజిట్ ఈజ్ టైట్. TIGHT, టైట్. ఓకే, రాంగ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆపోజిట్ వర్డ్ ఆఫ్ రాంగ్? రైట్. ఓకే, రైట్. RIGHT, రైట్. ఓకే, థిన్ ఆపోజిట్, సారీ, థిక్ ఆపోజిట్ థిన్. THIN, థిన్. ఓకే, beautiful. What is the opposite word of beautiful? The beautiful opposite is ugly. UGLY, ugly. Okay, finish opposite? Finish opposite is start. Okay, H Roman. Which is the most suitable word for each picture? Choose words from the box. First of all, see, look at the picture, all of you. See, we have some pictures are there. How is the pictures? You have to write in this blank, all of you. Okay, here we have some box are there. In this box, that is the suitable words are there. See, all of you, tall, yellow, pretty, square, round, tiny. Okay, you have to choose its answers, all of you. Okay, first one, what is this picture? This one is tree, coconut tree. How is the tree? It's a tall tree. So what is the answer? Tall. Okay, first one is tall. TALL, tall. Second one, what is the second picture? Is this one is coconut. How is that coconut? Yes, this one is round coconut. So what is the answer, ma'am? Round. ROUND, round. Okay, and now third one is dash banana. How is that banana? This banana is color is, this banana color is yellow. So answer is yellow. YELLOW, yellow. Fourth one, dash flowers. See all of it here. Here we have some flowers are there, you know. Yes, how is that flowers? Is a pretty flowers. Pretty. So pretty means chala andamaina anesi. Okay, PRETTY, pretty. Fifth one, ant. Dash ant. Okay, how is that ant? It's a small, so tiny ant. Tiny means small, ma'am. Okay, TINY, tiny. Okay, sixth one, dash bread. How is the shape of, what is the shape of bread? Yes, square. Okay, so square, SQUARE, square bread. Okay, all of you. K Roman, read this riddle about a rabbit. Okay, I am a small animal. I have long ears. I have a fluffy tail. I like to eat carrots. Who am I? I am a rabbit. What is who has small animal? Who is that small animal and long ears and the fluffy tail and eat carrots? That is a rabbit, you know. So who am I? I am a rabbit. Okay. Now make a riddle about this animal. You can use words from the box. Okay, it's a rabbit. Same as like about rabbit, you have to write also this riddle also. Okay, and you have to use from this box. In this box we have tall animal, 4 legs, long neck, brown patches, eat leaves. So you have to use this box, all of you. Okay, first one already they gave. I am a tall animal. Tall animal. Okay, I am a tall animal. I have a long neck. I have a long neck. And I have 4 legs. I have 4 legs. I like to eat leaves. I I like to eat leaves. I am a, who is that? That is the, who has long neck and four legs eat leaves? Yes, that is the giraffe, you know. So in the last one, I am a giraffe. Okay, who is that animal? Giraffe. See, all of you, look at this picture, all of you. Yes, this one is giraffe. L. Roman, look at the picture and read the words. Take the names of the animals you see in the picture. See, all of you, here we have some forest, in the forest and jungle. Okay, here we have some animals are there, you know. See, what you have to see the animals, you have to tick that one. Okay, here we have some animals names also is there. Okay, so when you have to see the animals, you have to tick that animal name. Okay, see children, squirrel. Where is the squirrel? Yes, you have to see in the squirrel. Yes, I have seen the squirrel. So you have to tick that one. Hen. Is there hen? No. Monkey. Is a monkey is there? Yes, monkey is there. So you have to tick that monkey. And deer. Is any there is deer? No. Zebra. Is there zebra? Yes, zebra is there. So you have to tick that zebra. Elephant, tiger, peacock, owl is there. See, all of them. Is the elephant is there, tiger is there, peacock is there, and owl is also. So you have to take that ones also. And frog is there? No, there is no frog. So you don't take. And next column, rabbit, snake, lion, rhino, butterfly. In there, snake, rhino, butterfly. There is only for snake, rhino and butterfly. So you have to tick that only one. There is not there anyone, rabbit and lion, because of there is no there. So you don't want to take that one. Okay. Next one, giraffe, goat, tortoise, crocodile and ducklings. Is there anyone is there? Yes. Giraffe, tortoise, crocodile and ducklings are there. Okay. So you have to take that giraffe, crocodile, tortoise and ducklings. There is no goat, so you don't want to take that one, all of you. Okay. So in there you have to see in the pictures, see in the picture of animals, you have to take that one. Remaining you don't want to take, all of you. Okay.